Hello everyone, today I have Hitachi Drill DS12DVF3 and it's slipping on a low speed, so I will change the plastic gear for the gear housing. I start from removing the handle. Okay, got to open it, and of course we can see the dust here and the dust on the speed changer. Okay, now I need to clean this one somehow. Okay, just a small clean of dust. And now I want to take the gear assy. And as you can see, we will change this part here. So what we need to do now is get this one out. It's just a pin that goes inside the gear. Taking it out. I will brush it a little bit. Okay, now we have the metal plate, some plastic gears here, metal gear. This is our speed changer, and this clip goes here in a gap. Here, just moving it backward and forward. Okay, and we can see the difference that the gears here are missing. I don't know if you can see it on camera or not. And you can see that you need to put it in a same direction like it was. Basically, I think it's no difference. It's okay. We have a pin here, so we can check for the pin, and we have the gaps here. Yep, we have the pin here and we have the gap here, so just aligning them. Making sure that they will fit. Okay, just push the washer a little bit. Yeah, seems that it will fit. I will just put the screw here and press it a little bit. Okay, we have the screw here, so now I can put the other screw here. Yeah, got in place. Now I will put some grease here. Not much of grease. Okay, now I can put the gear here inside. Just trying to move it around to align it with the other gears. Okay, got it. We have our speed changer. Just moving to get it here in place. putting the gears. Okay, you can see that now it moves easily. Of course, if you want, you can wash all the gears and re-grease them, but I don't know if that will change something. Okay, just got the plastic gear in, and now I can try to close the plate. We have the plate here. Okay, now we have the hour gap for the speed changer. You need to get a spring in that gap. Now putting the button here, and I think we are ready to get the drill assembled back. Just aligning the gears. Okay. Seems good now. Now we have the red wire and the black wire. Okay, seems that I have not, inserted the motor correctly. Okay. We'll lift the motor a little bit because I want the red wire to be on the bottom. Okay. Now I can check. Feedback, and I hope the battery charged well. Okay. Yep, looks as good as working, and that was an easy repair of the gear assy. Hitachi supplying the parts of the gear assy separately, and you can see that the gear here was definitely damaged and need to be replaced. So for now, just thank you for watching and bye.